Hey guys, and in this video I'll show you how to make calls and send messages with the help of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. So firstly we just need to swipe up to open all of the applications and then tap on this phone icon. So you can make calls and send messages even if you don't have the LTE version, but the phone must be near you. If you have LTE version, you can make calls right from your watch without needing your phone. So, you can either call your recent number, or you can tap this keypad and just enter number manually. And also here, if you tap on this icon, you'll be able to see all of your contacts right here from the contact list. And let's choose my friend Maddie, for example. I'm gonna tap it. And now we can either call this person or send a message. Let's send a message first. For this, I'm gonna tap this blue icon. And now we can use emojis and also quick responses. We can see the option to manage on the phone. And if you just tap this bar, you'd be able to type in the message manually. And also you can even use voice input by tapping this icon. And when you're done talking, just tap this square to stop, and now tap this button to send this message to the person, and it will be sent as a voice message. And now let's make a call to Maddie. For this, I'm gonna get back to this contact and then tap this green icon. So, now we can mute the conversation, we can change the volume, and we can tap on these three dots to switch to phone or to use keypad. And when you're done talking, just tap this red button to end the conversation. And that's it. And to sum up, this watch is great for calling and messaging. Even without the LTE version, everything works as long as your phone is in the range. If you don't find LTE necessary, this Galaxy Watch 7 without it would be a great choice. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.